everyone. In today's lecture, we're going to unpack the structure of the Python-powered web application you'll be building. And I know what you're thinking. Do I really need to understand architecture if I'm just learning Python? Absolutely, because architecture gives you the blueprint to scale, adapt, and maintain what you build. Let's begin with a common assumption. To build a web app, you need JavaScript on the front end and something else, like Python or Node, on the back end. That's true in many projects, but in ours, we're taking a different route, a very Pythonic route. We're using FastAPI to serve our backend. FastAPI is an asynchronous web framework, fast, flexible, and easy to read. It'll handle routing, API endpoints, authentication, and connecting to our database. But what about the front end? Instead of React or Vue, we're using Jinja 2 to render HTML templates and HTMX to bring interactivity. Think of HTMX as a bridge. It lets us send and receive data from the server without refreshing the whole page, just like JavaScript frameworks, but without writing JavaScript. Here's an example. The user clicks Buy Bitcoin. HTMX sends a request to a FastAPI route in the background. That route processes the buy order, updates the database, and sends back HTML that updates just the portfolio section of the page. Clean. No page reload, no JavaScript components, and all powered by Python. This separation of concerns, FastAPI for logic, Jinja 2 for layout, HTMX for interactivity, is lightweight, powerful, and perfect for learners. Why is this important? Because this structure teaches you how web requests work, how to pass data between layers, how to think in state and interface, how to build secure, explainable user interactions. This architecture gives us an environment that is rich, dynamic, and educational, while still being fully Python-driven. In our next lecture, we'll plug this structure into the real world by introducing the CryptoCompare API and building the foundation for live price data. Until then, explore FastAPI's and HTMX's documentation. See how simple they are, because soon you'll be wiring them together to bring your simulator to life.